Welcome to the project demonstration of Wi-Fi control Buggy robots. So here we are going to control this robot movement, that's forward, backward, left, right, stop, through the mobile phone application, and the communication protocol is Wi-Fi. So we are using ESP8266 to get the data from the mobile phone application, and the same commands will be given as input to this microcontroller. Based on the commands received, system will control the direction of this robotic vehicle using this L298 motor driver, and the whole system getting power supply from this 12 volt 1 amp rechargeable battery pack, and it is a 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are connected in series, so we'll get 12 volt 1 amp. And the major components in our project is, so we are driving this robotic vehicle as with the help of the 4 DC motors, which is a 4-wheel drive. So front side, left side 2 motors, and right side 2 motors, and in these two are connected in parallel, and these two are connected in parallel, and this will be connected to this motor sides of this L298 motor driver, and which will get the 12 volts DC input from this battery pack, as the operating voltage of our DC motors is a 12 volts DC, and the operating voltage of our microcontroller along with the Wi-Fi module is a 5 volts. So to get the 5 volts DC, it consists of 7805 regulator, which is on board, and it will take 12 volts DC input and provide us a 5 volts DC output. So once we provide this to the motherboard, we are using the microcontroller of HVS-1698, which is continuously reading input from the input module of ESP8266 from B0 B1 pins, and based on the commands will control the L298 motor driver, which was interfaced to the pin number C0, C1, C2, C3 pins. So these are the major components and input output connections to the microcontroller. So before demonstration, the very first step is keep the battery under charging. Connect the battery at this charging slots, okay, on the power supply to the transformer. So it will get fully charged in a duration of 3 to 4 hours. Till the duration, keep the battery under charging before demonstration, and after that you can disconnect this. And the very first step, charging of the battery. Next step, before on the kit, go to hotspot settings of your phone, configure the hotspot name to project 7349 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 123456789, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After this, on the hotspots, and we need to install the network analyzer application along with the Juice application. So this one is from the Google, you can install that, and network analyzer from the Play Store, right? Yep. And yeah, we'll show you this from settings onwards, so we'll delete the previous connections, right? Okay, so now you can on the power supply to the kit, just on the power supply to this battery switch. So once we on that, wait till this light will on and off 2 times. So initially it is connecting to the Wi-Fi settings. Once pair successfully done, right, you can see the light got switched on and off 2 times, and after that we can see one device connected in your mobile phone, and network analyzer application, options, LAN scan, do the scan over here. We get the 2 IP address, one is your mobile phone, another is our ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Copy that, and Juice application, so it will be like this, manage connections, add, and type is the telnet address which you got from the network analyzer 8080. These 3 settings are important. After this, on this, and now pay to that. So we can increase the font size. So now coming to controlling the robots, so F, so forward motion, and stop, S, B, backward. So for every command execution, the system will reply to the application about the command executed. So left side, so instead of continuously rotation, we are just controlling that for a certain degree of rotation, and right, okay. So let us check the demonstration on the floor. So let us check with this. F, stop, backward, stop. So left side, so it will rotate around of 50 to 60 degree of rotation, and right side, right, forward, right. Thank you.